Hi guys, so I have a very interesting video. And it's usually not what I've been creating recently. It is what I started YouTube with, and that is a makeup video. I haven't filmed a makeup video. I haven't even done my makeup, and I don't even know how long. Like, really done it. Like, glam. So I wanted to just film a fall makeup look. I found this makeup look on Instagram. Put it right here, and it really inspired me to do my makeup again. I've really hit that point of the year where I just don't care how I look. I don't really want to put in that extra effort to do my makeup, so I thought I'd just sit down here since it's Sunday and I have nothing to do and just really go ham and do my makeup, because I just really miss it. And that is what I started YouTube with, like I said, so I do still have a passion for it. I'm just lazy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the eyes. I'm gonna do this in a chit chat, get ready with me type of format. I'm just gonna talk to you guys through the tutorial and talk to you guys about life and everything that's going on in mine. Okay, let's start. I don't really know what I'm gonna talk about in this video, so I'm just gonna start with priming my eyelids just with a concealer, because I don't really have like an actual eyelid primer, so we're just gonna take this Maybelline concealer and just pack it on the eyelids. I'm just gonna blend that out with my finger because I think it works better anyways. So let's chat. I'm forgetting everything to talk about. So I am a senior. I feel like I say that in every video, but I just want to make sure people know in case they don't watch my videos. I feel like this year has definitely been the hardest year for me. I think because everything's so important that you do this year and that it all matters a lot, and it kind of scares me in a way because I don't really want to leave for college. I do, but I don't. I am going to college. I don't know where yet, not really sure. It's definitely dependent on scholarships. If I get a lot of scholarships, then I'll go more one place, but I'm not gonna disclose that just for safety reasons. But I know that once I go to college, I'm gonna be filming a move-in vlog, because I really like watching those, especially this year, because I know gotta prepare myself to go to college. So I'm definitely gonna do videos like that. I'm really excited for that aspect. I like trying new things and I like going to new places, but I do really like my family and I really like my dogs, and I don't know how I'm gonna leave my dogs and my family behind. I just don't know how I'm gonna leave. It kind of stresses me out. So I see that she started with like a yellow color, and the James Charles palette does have like a rare yellow, and I'm scared to use it because I feel like it's gonna be very pigmented, but we'll try it. Look at that. Definitely there. I'm just gonna layer it because I'm kind of scared to like really go at it. I know how easy my life is right now. I'm like in school like stressing about like essays that are due, but I know in college I'm gonna have an essay due like every day. So I'm trying to really appreciate high school right now, and I'm definitely not one of those people that really loves high school. Mainly I'm kind of sick of this place. I'm sick of the people. I'm sick of everything. I just want to kind of leave, but I also really like my life right now. That makes sense. Like, I have really good friends, and the ones that I do like are really great, and I do have some friends that aren't going to college next year that are younger than me, and I don't know how I'm gonna leave them either. Yeah, that's just basically my perspective right now. I'd say tips for your senior year so far that I've learned: apply for scholarships as early as you can. Make sure you know what scholarships are out there in your town or area, because I know that there's a lot for different states and different cities, so I'd say definitely look into what you can get. Definitely look into your options and what colleges are best for you. I think a lot of people are going to colleges that like they don't really know if they're best for them, and I think that really stresses me out because I know what colleges I need to go to get like a certain degree. And if you're asking me now like what I want to major in, I would probably say a science, because I do want to go more like medical, but I also like business a lot, so it's kind of just up in the air. So I'd say definitely look into what you want to be, and it's okay if you don't know what you want to be, because a lot of people in my grade don't know what they want to be, and like honestly I don't really know for sure either. Also, people go to college just to have fun, which I understand, but it's just so expensive. Just go to a party, don't go to college. I don't know, that's just kind of a little senior rant. So I was going to buy the Shane Dawson palette, but I kind of want to see reviews first, because I was looking at the colors and I really like the colors and everything, but I'm trying to think of like, do I need it for $52 or should I just watch tutorials on people doing it? I have watched a lot of this series. I don't think I've watched the last 2 episodes. I watched the beginning. I haven't watched like the most recent ones, but I do love Shane and Jeffree whole lot. Like, I love him so much. And I'm glad that Shane is finally working with people that aren't screwing him out of his money. Okay, sorry, I need to talk about what I'm doing. Okay, so it kind of looks really colorful right now, and I'm definitely going to make it more dark. I need to put up my hair. Okay, now I look like an egg. I look like bald. Oh my god. Okay, good enough. You guys know I have hair. So basically I just took the yellow, the orange, and like the redder color. So I definitely need to make this like red more burgundy because it is a fall look. Okay, I'm gonna switch palettes to the Morphe palette. Okay, so none of these shadows from the Morphe palette are like building up. Don't know why. So we're gonna use the burgundy palette. Really going ham on this makeup look. Well, that definitely left some fallout right there. Thanks, Kylie. Love it. I look crazy. Okay, so some kind of a random topic right now that I was thinking of. Okay, so I've been watching that girl that blew up that has the van. I'm pretty sure everybody knows who she is because I think she got recommended to like everybody, like on the YouTube algorithm. The Janelle, I forget her last name, Janelle something. And she lives in her van with her pet snake and everything. And she's so cute, and I'm so glad that she blew up. But it just really makes me want to not go to college and just live in a van. But since I'm like really tall, I know that that's just not the life for me. Because she said she's 5'7" or something like that, 5'6", and she like barely can fit in her van, and I'm like, oh my gosh, imagine me in that van. I think it's very cool that she decided to live that way because it's something that a lot of people wouldn't do. I wouldn't do it because I can't. And then I saw these people on TikTok, which, what are your guys' thoughts on TikTok? I know a lot of people like won't watch TikToks because they think it's stupid. But I'm a fan, okay? These people were like showing their life on the road with their like 3 dogs. If I can find this, I'll like put it in there. But I just thought that was so freaking cool. Like, I want to be that. Guys, I'm running out of things to talk about and we're not even halfway done. In my class that I take at my school, super like business management, entrepreneurship and everything. And we literally have to like go into a room full of strangers that are from our county and talk to them. Like, you don't get a topic, you just have to go in and like make conversation. And I wouldn't say that I'm shy or anything like that, but it's definitely hard to like just talk to people, especially when there's like a lull in the conversation and you like can't think of anything to say and they can't think of anything to say. Then it gets like really awkward. Yeah, that's really stressful. And we do it a lot. We go into like businesses and then you have to like introduce ourselves, talk to them for a little bit. It just kind of like stresses me out. Okay, I guess I'm done with that. I mean, I'm okay with it. Okay, let's talk about something else that I've been watching a lot. People on YouTube that I've been watching a lot is Stephanie Sue. I'm sure you guys all know the mukbang queen. I actually started watching her from a like mukbang tea video, which there's a lot of those. I didn't realize how many there are, but about Veronica Wang. She has a lot of scandals, and I found her from there, from like Veronica Wang annoying everyone or stealing people's food for like 5 minutes straight or something like that. And I just really liked her from that video, so like I watched, not Veronica, I liked Stephanie Sue from that video. And so I went and watched her channel and I really like her. Her and her fiance are so freaking funny and I just love them. And her mukbang videos, she like talks about like unsolved mysteries and stuff like that. And I'm a big conspiracy person. Being a mukbang channel would be so great. Literally, like all you do is eat and talk, which I wouldn't be very good at the talking part, obviously, since I can't even do a chit chat get ready with me. I've also thought many times about being an ASMR artist because I really like listening to ASMR. I haven't actually since I got my new phone because, you know, the can't charge your phone and listen to ASMR at the same time. If you have AirPods you can, but I'm not one of those people that have AirPods. So I can't do both and I'm scared that my phone's gonna die and then I won't wake up for school on time. Don't worry, I'm gonna make this lighter because I know I look orange right now. I'm thinking about just not going to college and just being an ASMR artist. I'm in that stage where like no foundation really fits me because I'm changing from not tan from the summer to like really not tan for the winter. So I have 2 foundations from Naked Urban Decay. One that's from prom whenever I got a spray tan, and then one from my usual white pasty self. So I usually just put both of those colors on me because I'm pasty, but I'm also kind of like warm tone from getting a little bit of sun. My nose is like really white in pictures, even whenever I put like dark foundation on. Oh shoot, can I like hit an undo button right now? Oh my god, I just really messed that up. I've been thinking about doing another fall school vlog. I don't know, I'm kind of just torn on what to do because the things that get the most views on my channel is my hauls. And guys, I just can't keep spending money. I got to like chill. So I think I need to touch that up. That does not look good. I'm gonna take some foundation, powder foundation, that kind of just like evens out my skin, kind of just brings those two shades together. So I had to go put all the videos that I just filmed on the computer because my card's full. So let's try this again. I'm just gonna put some blush on. So I'm gonna put some highlighter on. I'm just gonna use the Fenty Beauty. So I'm gonna go back to this palette because I do need to like fix that spot that I messed up. So I think I'm done with everything in the eyeshadow realm. I'm gonna put some glitter underneath and put some false lashes on. Okay, so I'm going to put some mascara on first because I know that a lot of gurus do that. Okay, so I'm going to use these lashes. I only have 2 pairs left. If this goes smoothly, I won't run out. I'm going to put these on off camera and then I'll be back. Okay, so I put on the lashes. So I'm just going to go ahead and put mascara over both the lashes, both my lashes and the fake lashes. Okay, in the picture that I had of the makeup look, it has like sparkly stuff underneath. Okay, so I have this like pot of glitter thing. Okay, so I don't really have like glitter glue, so we're gonna use lash glue. I'm gonna have to do some cleanup. Now, I guess I'm just gonna take a brush, try to clear some of the glitters that are not supposed to be there. Okay, so I'm pretty sure I have my makeup look done. So I guess I'm done. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I don't know if it looks like the picture I showed you guys. Hopefully it does. Please give it a like and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys in my next video.